I'm in Costa at Perth train station, and so far it's been 10 pence more expensive for my usual coffee, and I haven't got any Costa Club card points either, so I'm quite disappointed about that. Needs must though. I locked myself out the flat yesterday, so here I am. The coffee looks alright though, it's filled up right to the top. There's plenty of chocolate on it, so let's see. So far so good. The foam's nice and creamy. And the coffee feels like it's a decent temperature as well. I'm quite disappointed there's no newspapers this morning as well. I've quite got to like my iPaper or my Metro with my morning coffee. It just makes it go in a bit quicker, and it's always good to keep up with current affairs despite the kind of all the horrible stuff that's going on in the world just now. The coffee itself's actually quite hot, but I've got plenty of time till my train, so that's fine. I got quite good customer service today. Any other time I've been here, it's been like the staff really can't be bothered, to be honest, and that you coming in's an inconvenience to them. But today both of the members of staff were quite pleasant. My only criticism is that I asked for chocolate and then the staff member forgot it. But I politely asked and got my chocolate, so no worries there.